Well, hi everybody, I'm back again and going through my stash and thinking I haven't done a convertible in quite a while, so I saw this 1950 Ford Convertible kit here by AMT. It can be built custom or stock. I think I'm just going to do it stock. I got a really good deal on this. It was half price. I got it for $15 because it was open. It's got all the, hopefully it's got all the parts in there. It's been repackaged. It's molded in a light gray, and all the parts are off the sprue, so they're all kind of loose here in the bag. You got the clear and chrome parts and the wheels and that. The instruction sheet opens up like a sort of like a newspaper. Get this here. So the instruction sheet is pretty big. It opens up here. Lots of little parts there to do. We're looking at some other videos on YouTube how other people have built it, and there's a few fit issues and some cleanup to do on it, and try and decide on a color. But I think I'm going to give this a try. So stay tuned, and we'll see how it goes. So I've begun the process by separating out the parts that I'm going to use for the stock version. Are mostly here, the chrome parts, these, and the wheels and the tires are in the box there. I've got a bunch of wheel parts. I have to figure those out as I go. Other trim parts. I got the engine parts here, and the seats, things I can glue together, the seats and the differential rear axle. It comes with this little trophy. There's a chrome car goes on top and 4 cement blocks. It's kind of nice. I've been wanting to get some of those. Got all my engine pieces lined up here. All the custom parts I put in a sandwich bag here. I'm going to just seal that up and put it back in the box and with my spare parts. It comes with these futuristic little seats and some other odds and ends. It'd be nice to make a futuristic sort of space car or something. And the body and chassis and the interior tub can be painted and get ready to go. So I'm going to start with the engine here, and that'll take care of a bunch of the smaller parts. Well, I thought I'd better get back here and do a quick progress report on my build. I've got the chassis all done here. I've got the rear end suspension in, and the drive shaft and rear differential. I've got the shocks painted dark blue. I've just painted the chassis black. I've attached the front and rear spoilers here. I've painted the gas tank silver and the muffler silver and the exhaust gunmetal. Got that pretty much ready to go. I've got the engine painted here. I've mixed up some olive green with a little bit of gray. Brushed that on there, and some silver on the transmission, black on the rest here. Got the pulleys done up. That's all ready to go. Got the steering wheels primed and ready to be painted. Probably, they say it's supposed to be black. I've got the interior tub and the seats and covers, tops, in Vallejo light gray primer. And I'm about to go into the paint booth over here. I've got the body ready in, again, in light gray Vallejo primer and the dash. And I'm thinking, agonizing over what color to do it. I think I've chosen the Deco Art Craft Paint, the deep red. I like to do a dark red with maybe a lighter interior, although I've seen pictures of it in black, and I'll see how that goes. I got the wheel rims and backings and plates ready to be painted the body color. So I'm about to airbrush this dark red on the body and on these parts here. Okay, I'm back in the paint booth. I've just finished airbrushing some Deco Art deep red on the body, on the body here in the hood, and the dash and the wheels. I've done Stynylrez black primer just on the convertible top, and I've done some craft paint, what is it, satin, parchment satin on the interior tub and the tonneau cover and the front seat. So we got it in color now. I can begin the assembly process and attaching the chrome bits. Well, I'm back here with the completed project, the 1950 Ford Convertible. I just finished gluing on the bumpers and these little side vent windows here. and if you can see them okay. I've added some aftermarket tires that I had in a pack here, and I had the thin white wall tires compared to the just the black walls that came with the kit. Got everything pretty much done. The only thing I didn't add were the rear view mirror. I forgot to put that in before I put the windshield in and the interior tub, so I think I'm going to leave it go at that. I'll have some pictures at the end. I just have to put the hood on. Like I said, I just got the bumpers on, crazy glued on there, and letting everything set for a bit and make sure it's dried. Just adjust my lights a little better here. I did the license plates in blue, and just with the yellow marker I went over, it's got AMT 1950 on it. I don't know if you can see that there, just to kind of highlight it. Oops. There we go. So it came out pretty good. I had a little trouble getting the fitting the body over the chassis just to get everything lined up. It took a little bit of finagling. It just seems a little high in the front, but I can't get it to go any lower for some reason. It just kind of pressed in place. Well, one more thing I have to do, I'm probably going to, if I don't forget, is tape this off and put chrome marker along the trim line there on the sides. Everything else is pretty much done. Just put the hood on and convertible top. So once that's done, I'm just waiting for the glue to dry on these other parts here before I handle it too much. So we'll get that finished up, and I'll have a few more pictures. Well, these are the leftover parts, because you can do it as a custom version. It has all these extra parts. I didn't use the chrome trim rings on the wheels. I thought that would be a little too busy. Comes with the customed headlights and grille, and a couple of different grills there, and chromed flathead heads, lights and things here. Couple of extra windshields, side vent mirrors for the chopped windshield, extra lights. The decal sheets mostly just stars and stripes, and an eagle. I guess I got it upside down here, so I won't be using that. Might be nice on a van or something, but I'm not going to be using that. And a bag of parts here, mostly bumpers and headlights. They've got these sort of space age seats, kind of nice. Extra hood for the custom version. I think it's a little longer hood and a chopped windshield and extended bumpers and headlights. There's a console here for between the bucket seats. So quite a few extra parts left over. Well, something interesting happened. While I was pressing the hood in place, the grille, the front bumper, snapped up into position there, so I got the proper stance now. Got the hood on, and it doesn't open very well. It's a little tight in the hinge, but everything seems to be fitting a lot better now. The bumpers match here, and the stance is a lot better, so I'm glad that happened. Anyway, that's how to redo my pictures for the end now. So there it is, pretty much completed. And I can also add the convertible top here. Fits on there nicely. Looks good with the black top. Just have to line up the little pins there on the roof. There we go. That seems to sit nicely. So there, I think that's the look I was going for. Came out pretty nice. It also came with a few other things here. Just let me reach over here. It came with the 4 cement blocks, which I've painted up there, and it also came with a trophy, which I painted up. Just allow me to reach for it here. I've done it in metallics and candy. I did it with a silver base. I did a red translucent paint on the car part on top over the chrome, and the car was chrome, the rest was just styrene. So I used gold and green metallics on that, brushed on a little bit of a metallic flake. Hopefully you can see that on there. So there it is. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Get that lined up again here. And again, that's the look I was going for. So thanks for watching. I have a couple more shots at the end of the completed build here, and a few of the progress shots. So thanks again for following along.